Yes, yes. Insurance is used. I will tell you all my insurance stories. First of all, you have to have insurance because that's what makes you reputable. You are not a reputable business if you are not insured, if you don't have license, if you're not bonded. So where's my backing? How about you go into a car dealership and buy a vehicle and you say, okay, good wheels, have a good one. And there's no warranty, there's no protection, there's no human error. And so this job is very human error. Anything can happen, you know. Two stories where I use my insurance. I was only in business for maybe a year. I think I just hit a year. I was on vacation and one of my dog walkers came to the house. The owner put the harness and leash on and she realized the owner put it on incorrectly. And I always talk about this too. Owners will start doing stuff that get you off your groove, get you off your game. And if you don't check it and stay on your protocol, that happens. So she realized the owner put the harness on incorrectly. It was like an easy walker. They flipped it from the chest part to the back, you know, that front lead back thing. And she went into the lobby of the apartment to readjust the harness before going outside. Well, someone opened the door. The dog bolted out of the front lobby and got hit by a car. I'm in Puerto Rico hanging out with my family. Next thing you know, they're calling me saying, hey, this is what's going on. I'm like, okay, great. Send the client to the nearest vet. Follow our process procedure. I have full coverage insurance. Take my credit card from the business, pay the bill, and make sure the client is fully taken care of. So before this client even left any, vet or emergency room, all bills, everything was handled. All I did was simply forward that quote from the vet to my insurance, and I was reimbursed the same week. Now, I could have waited and said, you know what? Put all the bills in. Our insurance is going to reimburse us. We're going to pay the bills within the same week anyway. Having that, the reimbursement is I didn't lose anything. I put the card out. The insurance reimbursed me same week. No, it was literally bada bing, bada boom. I was like, thank goodness. But can you imagine paying, a $6,000 vet bill by yourself? Can you imagine paying a $10,000 vet bill by yourself? Do you have that in your budget right now? Do you have that in your bank account? Can you imagine not getting that money back? So having your insurance is definitely worth it. I had another walker who was walking a big dog and a small dog. Well, obviously that's not my policy anymore. But the big dog ended up tripping over and landed on the small dog. Broke the dog's femur. Guess what? Had to use insurance again. Same situation. We were able to take care of the client's Uber bills. We were able to take care. I sent her a stroller. We paid all her vet bills. And guess what? We got fully reimbursed. So do not run a business without insurance. You're going to need it. Things happen that you don't even think about. And when they do, you want to have protection for yourself and protection for your client.